Today we're going to talk about how to weigh a solid using weighing paper. You're going to start by getting a piece of weighing paper and folding it in quarters, in half, open it up, and in half again, so that you have a little divot in the middle for your solid to sit. We're going to put our weighing paper onto the balance pan, close the door, and hit the 0 button to cancel out the weight of that paper. And then we're going to measure out our solid using a spatula. So we open up one of the side doors, we get some of our solid and put it right onto that weighing paper. And you're going to weigh out the amount that your procedure tells you to. So ours said 0.75 grams, and we are within a reasonable amount. We're going to record that value in our lab notebook, and we're recording it as the amount of solid on the paper. Then we're going to transfer that solid to our reaction container. So we're transferring it to a small beaker. And we're going to use the fold in the paper to help us pour it out. And then we're going to re-weigh that paper to see if any of it stuck. So when we re-weigh the paper, it weighs at 0.008 grams. We're going to record that number. That's the amount of residue left behind on the paper. So to record the amount of solid we transferred, we're going to subtract the two numbers that we have recorded. And then to finish, we're going to remove our weighing paper. This just goes into the trash can. We're going to close the balance and hit that 0 button again so it's ready for the next person.